Energy drinks. Love them or hate them, they're everywhere. But here's the thing. Have you ever felt the rush only to crash an hour later? Or worse, wondered if all those flashy promises are just a sugar-coated trap? What if I told you there's a smarter way? One that boosts your energy, supports your health, and actually works for your body instead of against it. Stick with me, I'm gonna show you how to choose the best energy drink for you. No gimmicks, no crashes, just real actionable advice. Let's face it, most energy drinks on the market are designed for one thing: quick energy. But here's the catch. They often come with a heavy dose of sugar, excessive caffeine, and artificial additives. This creates a vicious cycle. A quick burst of energy followed by an inevitable crash, leaving you more drained than before. And it's not just about energy. Over time, these drinks can wreak havoc on your body, from increased stress on your heart to blood sugar imbalances and more. But here's the good news. Not all energy drinks are created equal. If you know what to look for, you can find options that fuel your day while supporting your health and performance. Here's the key. When choosing an energy drink, don't just grab the first flashy can you see. Instead, focus on these 5 essential criteria to make the best choice for your energy and your health. First, check the source of caffeine. You want natural caffeine from ingredients like green tea, coffee bean extract, or yerba mate. Unlike synthetic caffeine, these natural sources provide a smoother, more sustainable energy boost without those nasty jitters or crashes. Studies show that natural caffeine paired with compounds like L-theanine found in green tea promotes calm focus while improving alertness. Next, avoid the sugar bomb. Many energy drinks are packed with 20 to 30 grams of sugar, basically a dessert in a can. Instead, opt for drinks that use natural sweeteners. Research shows that high sugar consumption leads to energy crashes, insulin resistance, and even long-term metabolic issues. So don't let sugar sabotage your energy. Here's a game changer. The best energy drinks include Nootropics or Adaptogens. These are natural compounds like L-theanine, rhodiola, or ginseng that not only boost your focus, but also stabilize your mood. Nootropics and adaptogens have been shown to improve cognitive performance, reduce stress, and even support brain health. If your energy drink doesn't have them, you're missing out. Energy without hydration is a recipe for disaster. Look for drinks that include electrolytes like potassium, sodium, or magnesium. These help your body maintain hydration and perform at its best. Dehydration can lead to fatigue, brain fog, and decreased physical performance. A drink with electrolytes ensures your energy lasts longer and feels better. Finally, steer clear of artificial colors, flavors, and preservatives. These ingredients may make the drink look or taste appealing, but they can harm your health over time. Artificial additives have been linked to inflammation and metabolic stress, and a clean energy drink doesn't need these fillers to deliver results. Now that you know what to look for, let's take a quick look at some popular energy drinks and see how they stack up. Here's what they're doing right and where they fall short. Red Bull, the classic energy drink. It's small, convenient, and gives you a quick energy boost. But here's the downside. It's loaded with 27 grams of sugar and 80 milligrams of caffeine, which is enough for a spike, but not nearly enough to sustain long-lasting energy. Plus, it lacks any added nutrients for focus or hydration. Monster is known for its huge serving size and a wide variety of flavors. It packs 160 milligrams of caffeine, which is a decent dose, but at the cost of an insane 54 grams of sugar in a single can. That's over double what the average person should consume in an entire day. Celsius markets itself as a healthier option, and it's true to an extent. It's sugar-free, uses natural sweeteners, and includes some electrolytes and B vitamins. But with 200 milligrams of caffeine, it's not for everyone, especially if you're sensitive to stimulants. Bang Energy is popular with athletes and gym goers because it's packed with 300 milligrams of caffeine, along with added creatine and amino acids. But here's the problem. It's loaded with artificial flavors and sweeteners, which might not sit well with your body over time. Some newer brands like Focus 8 or Riot Energy are stepping up with natural caffeine, nootropics like L-theanine, and electrolytes for hydration. These options align better with the criteria we talked about earlier, making them great choices for sustained energy without the crash. Now, these are just a few examples of what's out there, but if you're looking for a truly clean, sustainable energy boost, you might want to go beyond what's in the store. Let's talk about some DIY options that let you control exactly what goes into your energy drink. Here's a really simple recipe. Green tea for natural caffeine, lemon for a vitamin C boost, honey for quick digesting carbs, and Himalayan salt for electrolytes. Green tea contains both caffeine and L-theanine, which work together to provide calm, focused energy. The honey stabilizes blood sugar levels, while the salt replenishes electrolytes lost through sweat. Another great option is combining coffee with a high protein or balanced snack. Coffee provides the caffeine boost, while the snack slows caffeine absorption and prevents energy crashes. Pairing caffeine with protein or healthy fats helps regulate blood sugar and keeps your energy levels steady. Studies show that this combination enhances focus and reduces the jittery effects of caffeine alone. Sometimes fatigue isn't about caffeine at all. It's about hydration. Adding electrolytes to your water can give you an energy boost without any stimulants. Electrolytes like sodium, potassium, and magnesium regulate fluid balance and muscle function. Dehydration is actually one of the leading causes of fatigue, so staying hydrated is an easy win for sustained energy. Finally, remember that real lasting energy starts with your diet. A balanced intake of complex carbs, healthy fats, and protein will keep you energized throughout the day. Your body relies on macronutrients to fuel its systems. By focusing on whole foods and balanced meals, you'll feel more energized without needing as much caffeine. So whether you go for a DIY energy drink, a coffee and a snack combo, or just better hydration, these options put you in control. But remember, the best energy boost is the one that works for you. So now you know how to choose the best energy drink, or even make your own. Whether you're looking for a quick boost, clean ingredients, or a sustainable energy solution, the choice is in your hands. But I want to hear from you. What's your go-to energy boost? Do you stick to store-bought drinks, or do you have your own hacks for staying energized? Drop a comment below and let's compare notes. And if you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who's always looking for the next energy fix.